Emerson Mnangagwa, it is NPF. They have engulfed in the misappropriation of public funds, poor governance, nepotism, and corruption. Sanapena mashoko andiona panguva ino oyachidzwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe wachinzi tarirai economy, schools, education and everything. Aiwa, it is sagging. Hapana kana chiri kufamba nokuda kwecorruption iri kuitika the ruling party iri kuonekwa kuti ndoiri kurana the government. Sanapena mashoko anobuda nyora panapa ndotibo subscriber upo like utina on the bell icon. Chiendera mberi payendo yeexana taenda changambika vanobuda nyora chiti Mnangagwa since 2017 has launched programs like the World Agriculture in which he stole $3 billion with the KUTYA. Mnangagwa has been launching national programs and making promises of services he has failed to fulfill. Through these unfulfilled government programs, he has launched money. He has been looted, and Mnangagwa has been heavily investing the public funds he looted through corruption in his 4ED campaign, in which he has been buying cars for judges, chiefs, churches, and fake war veterans with the help of Tungwarara and Wicknojivio. Children have not received the free education he promised in 2018. Our hospitals are messy, and civil servants are paid peanuts. But Mnangagwa can fund his 4ED campaigns to have an unconstitutional third term, while neglecting the task he vowed to undertake when he took over the government through a coup. Mnangagwa is in the process of solidifying his quest for a third term by bribing anyone who is of influence. Zimbabweans, we have to rise and put our political differences and defend our country from the tyrannical rule of Emerson Mnangagwa. Mashoko arikubuda nyogwa panapa inoti vanhu vari kuneta, they are now tired the ruling party ZANU-PF vachiti aiwa mapromises yes vanopa and anenge akawanda akanaka but kuafulfilla aiwa munozomaonera kuhope. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinako mesection pedu mudze mafungiro enyu, sama subscribe, like, chatamba bell icon.